Hey folks, this is about Zero Dogwood Drive here in Orangeburg, South Carolina. This is a vacant lot, 0.95 acres, and it has access to Sims Pond in a subdivision, and the pond is 19 acres. It's got fish in it. Right behind this vacant land is a private island. The owners of the buyers of this land would not own the island, but they would have access to this island for fishing or activities, whatever you wanted to do. If you wanted to bring a kayak out and push off of the island, but you would have the ability to build a dock. This land is relatively close to all of the amenities that Orangeburg has to offer. It's going to be about an hour and 30 minutes from Charleston, depending on traffic. This is a very nice area. It's a very well-kept neighborhood. The neighbors are nice. There is access to city water. You would have to put a septic tank in, and you would have access to electricity as well. So come on and check it out. It's on Realtor, it's on Zillow. My name is Aaron Corrigan. I'm a realtor here in the Charleston area. You can also shoot me a text, give me a call about it. My number is 843-475-3882. I will put that information in the bottom of this video. But by all means, come and check it out, have a look, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you may have. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.